Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. We're going to turn this little galvanized house that I got at the Dollar Tree into a cute little Christmas countdown. Okay, I took the house off the front of this piece of wood and screwed it into the back so I could have a little bit more of a platform to work with. Then I took some of the Dollar Tree spackle and filled in the holes. And I'm just taking my sandpaper after it's dried, sanding it down a little bit, wiping off the dust with my fingers. Okay, and then I'm going to take some Waverly chalk paint in the color plaster and just give it a once over. Okay, off camera, I just went into Cricut Design Space and I aligned the numbers 1 through 25. And I already have them on the transfer tape here. I'm just going to lay them at the bottom of the galvanized house. Okay, again off camera, I went to Cricut Design Space and I looked for an image for Days Until Christmas. And here I am weeding that real quick. Okay, now that I have all the excess vinyl off of there, I'm going to put the transfer paper on top and figure out exactly where I want to place this. And now we have Days Until Christmas at the top of the little house. I know the light is shining right on that. It's hard to see. Okay, we're going to set that to the side. And I'm going to grab one of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. I searched for garland at the Dollar Tree and Walmart, but I couldn't find exactly what I was looking for that had the wire in it to bend it. So I'm going to take this and cut this with my wire cutters and make just a small wreath. Okay, I'm going to take my scissors and give this little wreath a haircut. You want to make sure you trim all the needles out of the middle so you can see through the wreath. This is what you're going to put onto your galvanized house to count down your numbers till Christmas, which I'm sure we're all excited to do. Okay, it's time to decorate the miniature wreath. I decided to use the little wire berries that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I also have the Dollar Tree red berry garland that you could use. I wanted to match with the words Days Until Christmas, and they were in red. You can use whatever color you want to match your decor. Okay, here I'm going to take some of the Dollar Tree bell garland, and I took a couple of the small bells off of there, and I'm going to hot glue those to the little miniature wreath. And whenever you move your little miniature wreath to count down your days until Christmas, you'll get a little jingle jingle. Okay, I'm going to take some of this black and red gingham ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take that piece that I cut, and I'm going to cut it in half to make a miniature bow for the miniature wreath. Okay, I'm going to take some little hot glue and glue the little miniature bow on the miniature wreath. And now I'm going to take these magnet strips that I bought from Amazon. They were 12 sheets in the pack for, I think, like $7 and some change. So I'm just going to cut a small strip off the end of the magnet sheet. And I'm going to take my wreath and just lay it on there to just get an idea of the size that I need. Then I'm going to cut that off. And then I'm going to take that little square and round it off into a circle. And then I'm going to fold that circle in half and just cut the middle out. That way you'll be able to hot glue it on the back of the miniature wreath and see. You want to make sure that you can see through the wreath. That's going to show you what number you're on for your countdown. Okay, there's a couple pieces of the needle sticking out through there, so I'm just going to trim those real quick. Just want to make sure that I can see the numbers while still having plenty of greenery left for the miniature wreath. Just want to thank everyone for watching this video. If you're new, I hope you will consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please hit a like. This is the final product. I really enjoyed this. I thought it turned out so cute. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Misfortune seemed his lot. He got